Nananawagan ako sa lahat ng ating, I may sound funny to you, not here, but to you. Magbago na kayo. To those supplying, distributing drugs in Manila, don't do it in Manila. May kalalagyan mo. It's a fair warning. We are very serious about it. Okay? So that is our purpose. To the petty crimes happening in the city, nangagaw ng cellphone ng estudyante, nang-hold up sa jeep, umaakyat sa jeep, nanunutok ng kapwa pobre. Umalis na kayo ng Manila. Nag-abiso na ako last month, and today, hindi na abiso. We'll make sure I will meet you here in the same table in a matter of few hours if you will not stop. We will present you. We will try to get you alive and present you to the court. Pero hindi kami mangingimi kapag kayo binalbon na sa dibdib at piling yung macho na kayo. Kung nakaraang panahon, tinatawanan niyo lang ang Pulis Maynila, tinatawanan niyo lang ang gobyerno ng Maynila, huling halapak niyo yan. With regard to your question, we are very serious about it. In fact, mararamdaman niyo naman yung gabi. So, pakisuyo lamang. Mahalin natin ang ating lungsod, pagmalasakitan natin ang ating lungsod. Sa mga naapi, biktima, in our own little way, we will use all the resources of the government to keep our city clean, kayaya, maliwalas, at panatag na pamumuhay. They are one, and I cannot do it alone. I need your help. Together, because together, we can make Manila great. Thank you.